Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la yaskhar qawmun min qawmin asa an yakunu khayran minhum. O you who believe, or O you who profess to believe, no group amongst you should mock at or deride any other group. Asa an yakunu khayran minhum. It's just possible that they might be better than them. Mostly you laugh at somebody, some person or some group on the basis of some apparent defect. Maybe what is within his heart is much purer than what you have in your hearts. Maybe he is at a higher level of Iman and love of Allah and love of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If there is any bodily defect, if he is somehow or the other handicapped, if his complexion, is not appealing to you, very pleasant for you, if his features are not pleasant to you, you can't say maybe the inner personality. Just as happened, with Bilal, a black man, having very, thick lips, couldn't pronounce sheen. He always pronounced seen. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Still he was the Muslim of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu used to address him, Sayyidina Bilal. Because they knew that love of Allah, faith in Allah, love of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is extreme in the heart of Bilal. You are looking to the external side of the personalities, of persons, or groups, or communities. How can you see what is within their personalities? Maybe they are more dear to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala than you. So don't mock at them, don't laugh at them, don't deride them.